ka kanhun ki nonghikai bayakhi dawa tulop apo kalama jong ka fastom kilaong bakarai jong ka kanhun menteri ban penkiu tulop hadu kena hajar tengka kalongkum ke jingibeiñ yeki halo kani kilapan pau bayakarai bakhaddo kin sapan bena la shai ka step ka ipat ka sinjam bakin shim nang ni shakmat
ngio i na ki social media katum ka proposal kabangi pha kam shem la ingi ke jinghun di ha kani ka si kabangi dang sudah pisong Ngim shem la ya kaban ban ai ka daw no karai ha kani ka janmi kajing kerpat kelong bangin yo ya kaban isong si meeting biang la shai shpro baji ban pani ya kajing pom hon jongi kino hikai ki balai ap chitom ki balai thia mit them na kensho ya kajing sha chitom nadu ap fratrik kisai sin kerpat ya ki prano hikai ki jongi bangin haban sa Tatatu lai shai hatui baji shpro baji ngi don biang ka si meeting namar kani kajing ye vote jong ka sorkar cabinet meeting tolong insulted
Yes, sir.
ya kei ka bangi equivalency tingi kerpat ki nohikai bakin sobha ban yesha kei ka bangin yo ban examine mangiru nam ta kani karai jong ka cabinet Insai, Lashai Hakapor, Hatway Baji.
With regards to the decision that was taken by the cabinet meeting today, it is very clear that not even a single teacher who is present here is happy.
Yes, sir.
We feel insulted for how the government has chose to take this blatant decision without taking us into consideration. We have met with different officers, with different cabinet ministers, and in all those meetings, we have asked again and again about what this upgraded proposal that was being sent by the Education Department through Sir D.P. Walang looks like. When we met with the Chief Minister on the 12th of May, we asked what did the proposal look like. We got no answer. On that very same day, we asked from Sir D.P. Walang when he said it is upgraded. We got no answer. When we met with the Education Minister the other day and Sambros Marak, we asked what did the proposal look like. We got no answer. And even when we met with the Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Sir Preston Tensang the other day, we again asked what did the proposal look like. We got no answer. In all of these, we were only being told that it is confidential and that the proposal is upgraded and it is a better one. However, when we got the news today, we are thoroughly disappointed. If you go back to the earlier years, every time the government takes a decision on the salary of the teachers, it will always take the leaders into confidence, and it will be the leaders first who will know how much we get, and then the press will come to know. But now we do not know how much we are getting, but we get the news from the press. This is not how a democracy works. This is not how a democracy looks like. This is not what democracy should be.